Hello friends, welcome again in our own teacher channel. Class 10th, subject English. 4.3 Oh Captain, my Captain. In this video we will see the workshop. Question 1. Pick out from the poem all words related to ship. Make a list of them in a word register. Port, keel, vessel, shores, flag, captain, anchored, and deck. Question 2. Read the poem again and complete the following sentences. A. The captain lies cold and dead on the deck. B. The captain doesn't answer as his lips are pale and still. C. Captain does not feel anything because he has no pulse nor will, as he is cold and dead. D. The bugle is trilled and flag is flung. Question 3. The poem has direct reference to the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln on 15 April 1865 after the Civil War was won. Match the symbols images in column A with what they refer to in column B. Now we will match. The ship. C. United States of America. Number 2. The fearful trip, that is E. The deathly civil war. Number 3. The port. Here option number G. Peace after winning the war. Number 4. The bells ringing, that is F. Celebrating victory. Number 5. Captain. Option number B. The President of USA. Number C. Anchored safe. Option number A. Victory in the war. Number 7. No pulse, no will, nor will. Option number D. Lifeless or dead. Question 4. A. The figure of speech apostrophe exists throughout the poem. Pick out lines where the poet directly addresses. A. The dead captain. O captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Number 2. Here captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head. B. The grief in his heart. But, O heart, 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 O the bleeding drops of red. Number 2. Exult, O shares and ring, O bells, but I with mournful tread. C. The seashore. Exult, O shores and ring, O bells. 2. For you the seashores a crowding. Number B. Find from the poem one example of each of the following. A. Personification. From fearful trip, the victor's ship comes in with object won. Alliteration. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. Repetition. O captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. D. Exclamation. Exalt, O shares, and ring, O bells. E. Tautology. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. F. Antithesis. While follow, eyes the steady keel. The vessel grim and daring. Question 5. Find and answer in your own word. A. What are the signs of the people celebrating victory? The bells are ringing when the victorious ship is near. The flag is flung. The bugle is playing loudly. People are crowding along the shores. They are rejoicing. They have come with bouquets and garlands to welcome their victorious captain. These signs show that the people are celebrating victory. B. The crowds on the shores are eagerly waiting to felicitate the captain. How? As the people saw the ship very close to the port, they felt that their captain is back. So they started shouting and enjoying to welcome their king. They wanted to felicitate their king for his great victory in the civil war. C. What are the signs that the captain has passed away? Everyone's eyes follow the steady keel of the ship, the vessels that seem so serious and bold. Where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. These lines show that the captain has passed away. D. Dear father, this arm beneath your head. Why do you think the speaker in the poem puts his arm under the captain's head? The speaker in the poem puts his arms under the captain's head because he wants to help him to hear the bell of happiness. He wants to show him the flag of victory and the happiness of the people who were there with bouquets and wreaths. E. Describe the grief that the speaker in the poem feels at the death of his captain. When the speaker in the poem saw steady keel of the ship that seemed serious and bold, his heart is suddenly filled with very strong emotion. He urged his captain to rise up and hear the bells. He told him to rise up because the flag is flung for him. For him, people have brought bouquets and wreaths. People are crowding along the shore to welcome him. He felt very sad and lamented after seeing captain's dead body on the deck. Question 6. Glance through the poem again to find who the speaker addresses in the first two stanzas and the last stanza. In the first two stanzas and the last stanza, the speaker addresses the captain of the ship. Question 7. Fill the qualities in the diagram given below. Qualities of a ship's captain, qualities of a nation's leader, and we will see some common qualities. So first, qualities of a ship's captain: courage, naval expert, self-discipline, sympathetic, knowledge of weather science. Qualities of a nation's leader: leadership, foresight, positive attitude, a role model, selfless service, good administrator. Common qualities: integrity, visionary, confidence, human. Question 8. Complete the following choosing from the alternatives. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AA, BB, C, DED. The line repeated in every stanza is fallen cold and dead. The steady rhythm in the poem consists of a pattern of 3 beats: D. In the third stanza, the speaker does not address the captain. E. The type of poem is elegy because it is composed in memory of a passed away personality. Question 9. The feeling of grief and pain of the speaker in this poem are comparable to those of a great Maratha leader. In spite of winning the battle at a fort in Maharashtra, guess who the great Maratha leader was and the captain who was killed in the battle. Write down other basic historical facts of the above. Baji Prabhu Deshpande was a general and commander of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The story of well-celebrated legend Baji Prabhu is memorably lined with an important Regard battle, enabling Shivaji's escape from Panhala fort. With handful of soldiers, he prevented a large army of the enemy marching ahead to capture Shivaji Maharaj. He sacrificed his own life to save his king, the protector and the guardian of Hindavi Swaraj. He breathed his last only when Shivaji Maharaj reached Raigad fort safely. Question 10. The poem describes the sad demise of the captain. How would you console the son of the captain? Write a short paragraph using the points given below, expressing grief on the death, an act of God, word sentences giving strength and courage to face the situation. Add your own points. I am at a total loss for words to express my feelings. I don't understand how to console you for the loss of your father. Your father was a great man, full of integrity. Losing your dad can be extremely difficult for you because you have lost your source of strength and stability in your life. I am extremely sorry for your loss. He was a real hero for the nation and a real patriot giving inspiration to all. Your dad was a brave man. He had great courage. He will be missed greatly and remembered always. I extend my heartfelt sympathy to you and your family. May the soul of your father be at peace with our Heavenly Father. Question 11. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences. The title. The title itself is an address to the captain and it has a source that continues through the poem. Number 2. Poet. This poem was written by the famous American poet Walt Whitman. Theme. The theme of the poem is an expression of great sadness of the death of the captain. Here America, which had undergone the Civil War, is compared to a ship that had weathered a rough voyage. 4. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme for the long line stanzas for 1, 1st, 3rd and 5th is A, B. For the short line stanza means 2nd, 4th and 6th, it is A, B. 5. Figure of speech. Repetition. For example, O captain, my captain. The words are repeated for poetic effect. Special features. The poem is an elegy. Elegy is a formal lyric poem lamenting the death of a friend or a public figure. Here the poet laments the death of Abraham Lincoln, who was shot dead 5 days after the Civil War ended. Favorite line. My favorite line is, O captain, my captain, I like this line for its forceful rhythm. Why I like the poem? I like the poem for its tonal quality. I feel the intensity of the poem when I read it aloud. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share and like the video, and if you are not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe to get the notification of new video.